Back again with another repair video. Customer states he gained a misfire when entering the highway, or he puts the gas pedal all the way down. Cylinder 2 and 4 are misfiring. I'm here manually checking the injectors. I also checked it with my scan tool. The pulse was off, so we started with removing the fuel pump fuse to release pressure from the fuel system, so it'll be easier to pull them injectors out, man. Just a little tip. Before replacing all the injectors, I just did 2 and 4 first because they're pretty easy. Don't have to remove anything really. Just pull them out. And to confirm, because you know, if we get the diagnosis wrong, people hate us. They think we're shading. They think we're scamming, but they don't know nothing about being automotive tech. But if we get it right, they beg for a freaking discount. Hypocrisy, because I know some of them take shits while they're on the clock, but still want to get paid while taking a shit on the clock. But anyways, if you're not that person, God bless you. Now, this job is pretty easy. We do have to remove them 4 bolts from the throttle body, so you can maneuver that fuel line hose just the way I put it in, the same way you take it out. I wasn't able to show that part because my glasses got hot. It's freaking hot here in Texas, so I have to have them cool down. But it's a pretty simple job. As you can see, what I did is not that bad. Just make sure you put everything back, any sensors, any connectors, any hoses, and as well, if your throttle body is dirty, you might as well clean it. I did clean this one. It wasn't too bad, but I did a minor clean because I think he cleaned it before in the past. Oh yeah, I forgot. You also got to remove the negative battery cable right after you release the fuel pressure. And I want to go test drive it. Man, dude, it's fast response because it's a regular client, so I've drove his truck before. Way more fast response, way more smoother, way more quieter. Always double check your work after you're done, especially if you're a tech or a mechanic, right? Even a regular person, even a DUI guy. It took me about 2 hours. It might take you about 3 or 4, depending on your experience. But other than that, guys, make wise decisions. You have a blessed day.